welcome back. Today I'm going to show you guys the tutorial on how to fix the sink that's in the laundry room. This is the faucet is by Delta. So if you guys are owners that are using the Delta or have a Delta faucets for your house, you got to make sure you don't throw any of your Delta use faucet away. All you need to do is just contact Delta either through the customer service number or through the email. What I did was I contact them through my email, and then just snap a picture of your broken old faucet or your shower valve, shower head, or whatever that you have with the Delta. Normally they say 10 years, but I would tell you guys it's a lifetime warranty. They would take care of their customer, because I went to Home Depot and then they told me, if you have a Delta faucet, you don't need to buy any parts. I was surprised and shocked. So I said, oh, then how do you do that? And he suggests me to contact or Google it on their customer service or their 1-800 number. So that's what I did. So I just sent them, shoot them like an email. Previously I have broken double sink faucets that was leaking the water. So I contact them. They send me like the parts that I need, and that's same thing. I didn't know what was the model number or the style number. So the representative that I dealt with, they told me to stamp a photo of the faucet or your shutoff valve for your bathtub or anything like that. So what I did, I was just snap a picture and just send it to them. Oh, another thing was my master bathroom, the shower knob was broken. I guess one of the parts broke off, so my shower knob was pretty loose. So I also take the picture of that, and then also they sent me the whole kit for free. They sent me the valve and plus a knob. So I was very happy with the Delta customer service. So this is you need to pop this cover open before you get into those screws that is screwed down with the handle. And this one I'm trying to show you guys that is broken, but the cover, it says hot. So the left side is hot water, and then the right hand side is the cold water side. Okay, so you could apply it with I have a long fingernail, so that's why I left them long, so easier for me to walk around the house or any of the repair stuff. So if you don't have a long fingernail, you want to go with either like a razor blade knife or like a very thin prying tool or very thin flathead screwdriver. So be sure to know how to put it back, the hot and cold, which side is it, and then move it from there. So what I'm doing is right now I'm trying to show you guys the next clip, what the parts that I got from Delta for free. And this is the spring and seats, I guess, the rubber seats that I got it for free through the through the mail that they sent it to me. And this is the valve that is broken. Normally the O-rings around the rubber O-rings around the valve, it got loosened or got worn out, so that's why it's the water start leaking. And those are the pliers, and then the screwdriver that you need. All I did is use a Phillips screwdriver to unscrew the top screw, so you could pop the knob open. Oh, you could also use like a crescent wrench. So I use a wrench and then it's fine. So So you gotta make sure the position of the valve, how it sits, because some other people, they try to repair it and then didn't put it in correctly or put it in the wrong way, and they're not become reverse. So you gotta make sure how you take it out and just leave the way it is. So after that, I loosen up this real quick and just use a hand to unscrew it. So this is more than 10 years already, so it's hard to come apart. So after that, I gotta use the wrench to pull it up. And you want to jiggle it so it can loosen up. You don't want to jiggle too hard and just break the whole valve. So I try to use a hand, but still it's too tight, so I end up using a wrench to pry out. This one, I put it too big, so there's no grip, so I make it tighter. So you gotta be careful because the waters in the valve is gonna squirt out too, so just be careful. Make sure you have a rag to clean it up, but I don't have it. I mean, I wasn't prepared because I was too rushed to film this up. So as you can see, the rubber rings around the valve and the bottom is kind of worn out, so that's why the water is leaking through there, even though you shut off the valve. So that's the most common problem with this faucets. As the year goes by, that it gets worn out, and the spring and the rubber seal is right there. So it's better to use a very thin screwdriver so you pry out easier, because mine is kind of still thick, so it's kind of struggle with that a little bit, but anyhow it came out apart pretty nicely. And make sure you know the spring, the fat part is on the bottom, okay, and the more narrow is on the top. So right here I'm trying to show you guys the hot water is around this rubber seal, so that's why it's not making it close tight. So it's recommended for you guys to change these two parts, or actually 1, 2, 3, those 3 parts to prevent from any leaking, unless you have those rubber parts that you could buy from Home Depot. But why would you want to spend money if you get all these parts that you could get with the Delta for free? So I'm trying to remove the hot side. So this is hot and cold. So this one is kind of stuck there as well, because we hardly use this faucet actually, but only when I clean the shirt. It's not like I use this like every day, so I'm not sure why the seal become broken and stuff like that, or worn out. See, as you can see on this one is more loose, the rubber seal, the black parts. So somehow this one came out pretty easy. Both of them come out right away, which is nice. So just be sure how do you put it in, how you take it out and put it in correctly. So if you don't know how, that's why I'm making this video to demonstrate for you guys. Hopefully it will help you guys out. And you want to inspect it, hopefully not, there's no hard water around the rings that causing the leak. So these are the parts that I got it from Delta. So I'm trying to show you guys to cut it open, this and that, but with the one hand it's very hard. So, but also I just snap all three of them, so just to prove you guys that you could do it with one hand. So yeah, be sure not to throw your old Delta away. I learned my mistake, because the kitchen that I have, the faucet, the hardware got broken, so I figured there's no way to repair that, even though if I change the valve, the rubber seal, whatever. But if I take the picture for Delta, I'm pretty sure they will send me a brand new one for free. So there's this one, it comes with the plastic piece. The original one did not come with the extra plastic piece, so you got to make sure you know how to put that that plastic piece, or else your knob will not turn in correctly. You turn awkward position. So right here I'm trying to demonstrate how to put the brand new spring and then the rubber seal back to its place, which is make it easier. It's because nobody show you guys on how to do this on YouTube. So this is the tips and tricks on how to do it. So after that, you want to push in the rubber ring in there, but make sure it sit in smoothly, okay, not lopsided, or else you're gonna have a problem. Okay, so this is the cold side, so you gotta watch out the plastic where I put it in. It is away from you, okay, away from you, which is on the back of it. If you don't put it in correctly, your knob, it will not turn in or shut up properly on the correct positions. Okay, so right here I'm trying to demonstrate when you open and close, that's what it's supposed to look like. So I give you a thumbs up, and all you need to do is use a wrench to make it tighter, and you'll sit on the cold side, and you don't want to over tight it too much. Okay, and put the knob back, and then screw that Phillips screw it back in, and put back the plastic cover, and you're all set to go. Then what I'm going to do is working on the hot side right now. So be sure to position correctly. So right here I'm just trying to show you guys again on how to put in the spring and then the rubber seal. Some people down the YouTube, they just pop it in, but unfortunately it's hard to put it in if you without the screwdriver to guide it in there to that hole. So after you put it in, be sure to push the rubber in correctly. See that how you sit in there smooth. Make sure it's not crooked or lopsided. So, and now you're gonna put the brand new valve in, and you gotta be careful again, looking at the plastic. On the hot side, the plastic is towards you. So right here I'm trying to demonstrate for you guys, if you don't put the plastic in, it would turn all the way around, which is not correct. You want to stop in like what is that, quarter position or 90 degree. So now you will see the plastic will be that this one is wrong. So when I put it on the back, it's still not turning correctly. So for the hot side, the plastic placement will be towards you. Okay, see right there, I put it right in the front, which is toward you. So that'll be the correct way to put it in. Now on the back or away from you. So the cold side will be away from you, and then the hot side will be towards you. Okay, make sure you are aware of that, and so that will make your life easier. So I'm tightening up with the wrench, and then that should finish up today's project, and tie it up with the Phillips screw and pop back the cover for the hot side. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy today's video on how to repair your laundry sink with the Delta brand, or it is similar with all other brands out there. If you guys own other brands, make sure you contact the manufacturer. I'm pretty sure they will send you all those parts for free. So now I'm trying to test it, and then turn on back all the water and test it out. So please be sure to like this videos and give a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you guys haven't do so yet, and turn on that bell for notification. Please also share this with your friend, family on social media if they have any of the water leaking faucet that will cost them money. Be sure to tell them contact the manufacturer first, see what they could do before they go out there and spend their money, which is unnecessary. Alright, and drop any of the comments on below. Please drop any other positive comment. No bullies around. Alright, I want to keep my channel clean as like always. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace out guys, and happy Valentine's Day.